Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I come back very soon with a new video and with another interesting topic. So let's get started. So today I'm going to share the story of my first period. Actually, I wanted to share this story from a lots of time, but I think a lot I should make this video or I shouldn't make this video, but then I decide I should make this video. So in my childhood I spent a lots of time to watch TV show, and there was some advertisements about sanitary napkins and all those products which was available in market at that time for periods. I was be like, what kind of products these are which is using by one and only women's, not by men's. And not only adult women's, it's using by school going girls also. And what is this? I was also a school going girl at that time, and I was not sure about it. What is that? So I was very curious at that time. I was at 7th standard, and we were total 13 girls in our class, and any one of these 13 girls, no one was aware about these things like periods and menstrual cycle. There was 2 girls in the class, both are best friends, both are come from same area. So these both girls has period early before other girls have, and when they both have started their period, they started to ask other girls that, do you also have this? Do you know about this? What do you do when you have this? And other girls was like, what shit they both are talking about? They don't relate with that, and that information is something which is very new, and it's kind of a rare afwa and something. And because of these 2 girls, every other girls from the class are scared. After some time, some other girls are also got their period, and after they got their period, they start to make scary to other girls. That's usually funny. And also the chapter of reproduction and menstrual cycle, they're also in the class 7th syllabus. So through this classes, not only girls, even boys are also aware with these things. So the class 7th has finished, and I came to the next class, which is class 8, and at that time every girl has started their periods. Almost of the girls has started their periods at that time, and I was happy because I was not get something like that, and I was happy because I thought I never need to face this problem. It will never going to happen with me. And period at that time, it's like lots of jhanjhat, and you are going to introduce with anything which is not common yaar, and it's going to start with your body, and you always need to prepare for that. So this is like a jhanjhat, right? And I was happy for this, and I was I don't have something like this, and I was like this is something which is never ever going to happen with me. But I was wrong. Then the final exam has come, and during of exams I used to woke up very early at the morning for study. So one day I woke up very early at the morning because I had to revise some chapters. I on the light of the room, and I see my feet and my leggy and clothes. There was lots of bloods, and I was shocked, and I had no idea. Anything is not running in my mind. I was shocked. Oh my god, what is this? My blood? This is all our in the things, in the clothes, in the bed sheets, in my feet. And then my mom's also wake up and she comes to my room and she watch me with this all. So she says, "Oh, you got your period." And I was be like, "What? This is period? This is the period?" I was not have any idea that the period, it comes by your blood. That is something unexpected for me, that the period will be look like your blood, and that will be your blood itself. And that's completely shocking for me. Means this could happen, like it's blood, it's my blood itself. After some hours I have to sit on the examination hall, and I was with this scenario. Will I focus on my study? Will I able to focus on my exam at that time? Not, I think. So that day my mother already has arranged something for me, and I use all those things and I went for exam. I complete 3 days of my first period anyhow. No matter how much you are aware about this thing at that age, but anything you can see could be shocking for you. I was not aware at that time. I was not known. I was completely unaware at that time. And at that time we had not social media, we had not Instagram, we had nothing. So we were very shocked that something also happens with us like a girls. There we take lots of time. It takes lots of time to get normalized about that. So my intentions to make this video to make normalize these things, because that is a normal natural process, and this will happen with every girl. When my periods have started, I was alarmed. I can say I was literally alarmed. I had no any awareness of these things. How we can aware about this? At that time our parents, our mother were also not talk about this before it start. We aware about that when we face that. We will not prepare for that now. So I was not able to walk properly, I was not able to sleep, I was not able to sit, and my family was be like, "How you behave, what happens to you?" And I was not able to tell them that what happens with me actually, what actually I'm feeling with these things, with the times when I have my periods has started very early. I didn't know that how I can share whatever I'm feeling and what problems I had when I had period. So I just sit quiet and I just listen them and just ignore them. I was not accepting these things, that I have that, I'm feeling this, and why I'm having these things. My intentions to make this video, that is one and only to make these things normalize, because when another girl, which is a kids maybe, when she will going to have hit her puberty, she will be ready for that, not even by physically but also psychologically. Thank you so much guys to watch this video till the end. I hope you like this video, and what's your opinion about this story? Please comment down in comment section. We will meet at the next video with a very interesting topic. So till then, bye bye.